recipe देखी थी. It is a cheesecake, but it's actually not a cheesecake. It is a cheesecake without cheese, and that is called as cheap cheesecake. And that is made in microwave. So let's get started.
Take 200 grams of Marie biscuit, crush it well. You can also grind it and make it into a powdered sandy texture. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of melted butter and mix well. Transfer it into the mold and press gently. In a bowl, take hung curd. Hang it for at least an hour. I missed hanging it and hence my crust became little soggy. To this, add condensed milk. Mix well and microwave for 2 minutes. You can see the mixture has started to curdle. You have to mix well and microwave again for 2 minutes. In total, you have to microwave for at least 5 to 6 minutes. Transfer the entire base into the mold. Let it cool and then refrigerate it for at least 4 to 5 hours. You can also keep overnight. For making toffee, take half cup of sugar, half cup of water in a pan. Once it starts boiling, add milk and a pinch of salt. If you want caramel syrup, you can add little water. Time to demold the cake. If you like the video, do subscribe, like, share and comment.